In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list files from a Google Drive folder in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a dynamic sheet that automatically pulls in file names, links, and more from any folder in your drive. Let's start inside Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet where you want your list to appear. It's a good idea to rename the sheet to something clear like Drive File List, so you can easily find it later. Also, keep one tab dedicated just to the file listing to avoid mixing it with other data. Next, we need the folder you want to list. Go to Google Drive in your browser and navigate to the folder whose contents you want in your sheet. At the top, in the address bar, you'll see a URL. Inside that URL is the folder ID, which is that long string of characters between folders and the next slash or question mark. Carefully copy just that ID. This is what tells Sheets exactly which folder to read. Now, return to your Google Sheet. We'll use a small script to connect your sheet to Google Drive. At the top, click on Extensions, then select Apps Script. This will open a new tab with the script editor. If you see any default code there, you can safely delete it so the file is blank. In the empty editor, you'll paste a function that uses the Drive service to pull files from a folder and write them into your sheet. The key parts of this script will get the folder using its ID, loop through the files it finds, and then write details like the file name, URL, type, and last modified date into the sheet. Make sure that, inside the script, you replace the placeholder folder ID with the one you copied from Drive. Once that's ready, click the Save icon and give your project a simple name. Then, at the top, choose the function you just added and click Run. The first time you run it, Google will prompt you to review permissions. Follow the on-screen steps to allow the script to access your Drive and Sheets. This is necessary so it can read your folder and write the list for you. After authorization, run the function again. Switch back to your spreadsheet and you should see your headers and the list of files populate automatically. From here, you can sort, filter, or format the data just like any other sheet. If you ever add or remove files from the folder, simply rerun the script to refresh the list.